is the most crowded reveal ever with the wall right here. This is gonna be fun, Ronnie.
Oh, take this and walk as far forward as you can go.
We got a knot here. There it is.
Let's hook her up, boss. Angle this up like this. You gotta pull back all the way. Let it go.
You're gonna love this thing, man. It's gonna be the time of your life.
There you go. Excellent job on forward and back, forward and back. There you go.
So, these are the cannons. You're gonna want to top these out. Unscrew those bottles. Set that gun somewhere. There you go. There it is, bro. Throw them back on and then we'll rock and roll. Magic colors on here.
It's harder than it looks.
Do like half of this length. Put this on the rinse side. And then just rinse your polished aluminum first. Just to prevent any drying. There you go. Yeah, man. You got this. You got this. There you go. Woo! Yeah, you just flip those upward and that'll go to the drum. So now you're ready to rock and roll. Got it.
Second. Tell me when you want me to jump in. All right. We're the best team here, Ronnie. The best part is when he turns it on the first time, it pushes him back. All right, Ronnie, what do you think? Looking good? How they doing on that side over there?
That water is stuck on there, man. How's it look? Did we get it all? So-so? Let it rip, bro. Let it go. So we're throwing snake oil on it right now, and that's going to make this thing real slippery. What's the story with the water bottle up here?
Dickhead
How do you want to wash it? What do you got for preferences? You've been washing all day. You know what you're doing.
I'm thinking we're gonna brush the whole thing.
Yeah, a little liquid X on there.
Degrease, yeah, degrease the back end.
What do you got going on, bro? Tell me about the truck. What year is it?
It's a 2000 W9. It's got a 6NZ cat, 18 speed. Keep the brand new head.
I like that. Heavy duty, bro.
I'll get that, bro, no problem.
I'll wait for that.
Dude, you recovered well. Here, have fun with this thing. What are we doing? Not horrible on the paint either.
Gets in there real nice and that hole there.
Oh, that's a good one right there, bro. All right, give it a rinse. You got some heavy duty coming out?
Yep, we're gonna do the front of the truck.
All right, so you got skills, bro. Look at this distance. Wow. Show me your technique on the hood, bro. Up and down. Dude, all the way up. Hold it way down at the bottom. Push it all the way up. There you go. Like, just like that. Yep. Dude, you've got good technique. Yeah. Bro, you got it.
Ow. My pants are so wet, they're going under my shoes.
Oh. Got the technique, bro. Yeah, man. Oh yeah, man. You definitely know how to wash a truck. Yeah, you got it.
First day.
Yeah.
First day.
Oh yeah, we got some brown stuff coming off of there.